Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to pause music on your AirPods Pro 2nd. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you need to connect your earbuds to your phone by simply opening the case. As you can see in the Bluetooth setting, my AirPods showing as connected. Now, you need to put them on. I will put on only one and show you on the other. Now, let's take a close look on one of the earbuds. Right here you can see this flat part, which is the controller. The controllers are the same on both earbuds. So, if we play some music and simply click once on this controller, it should pause. And also, with a simple click, you can continue playing the song. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.